So, my name is Terrell Hebert, and I want to welcome you to CPT 322 SQL Fundamentals. I want to get everybody off to a great start for this semester. It is a 6-week course, but let me tell you, the 6 weeks will go by very fast. Just want to go over some rules of the road of the course. So for your late policies for this course, assignments will be deducted 1 letter grade or 10% each day the assignment is late. If you can, you are required to email me 24 hours in advance if your assignment's going to be late. I realize that we all have lives. We're balancing school, we're balancing deployments, we're balancing our families and our jobs, and you can get behind. But if you communicate to me that you need more time, I'm willing to work with you to complete your assignments. Because the key here is not just to complete the assignments and get a grade. The key here is that you learn the material. You learn about SQL fundamentals. So grading rubrics, take a look at the grading rubrics, because that's how I determine your final grade for discussions and for assignments. One thing that can catch you in this course is submitted assignments that are not in the correct format. References are not listed or cited. This includes discussions. If you don't know how to list or cite a reference, take a look at the APA guidelines. You can also take a look at the Purdue OWL website. It's a great website for APA formatting. So, like I said, for your discussions, you're required to respond to at least 2 other students in the course for your discussion responses. And those are quality responses. I look at quality responses that you're responding to at least 2 other students in the course. That's the only way you're going to get full credit for the discussion. It's got to be in the right format, and you got to respond to at least 2 other students in the course, or 2 other students' discussion posts. I provided some links on the homepage for discussion rubrics, for the exercise grading rubrics, and for the final project rubric. The unit numbers respond to each week. For example, Unit 1 is week 1. Let's talk about the live sessions or live discussions. I will hold the live sessions and the live discussions every Thursday night at 6 p.m. or 1800 for your military types out there, and every Thursday night for the entire 6 weeks. So I posted a link in each unit's section that you can click on and join the live session. If you can't make the live session for whatever reason, I do post a recording after the live session, and I will upload it to the site, to the course. So let's talk about, I live and I work currently in Stuttgart, Germany. I am 7 hours ahead. Well, right now, I'm 6 hours ahead of Central Standard Time, but when this course starts on 1st of April, I will be 7 hours ahead of Central Standard Time. The best way to contact me is through email to my email address. You can call my US number. It does ring in Germany. I will not pick up, but leave a message, a name, a message in the course you're in, and the question you may have, and I will call you back within 24 hours if you leave a message. Best way is to contact me by email, and I'll respond to your email within 24 hours. So let's talk about the class site. One good section that you can go to is the class question board. And you can see here, I've got this right up here, class question board. And you post your question in there. You may have another student in the course that has the exact same question, or may be able to provide a quick response to your question that you're having, or that you're asking. I look at that on a daily basis, and I will respond to your questions to the class question board. It's a great section for other students to post their questions also. You see an announcement section up on the top left. I'll post announcements week during the week, and at the end of the week, you will see a intro discussion post from me, and you will see where I close out the discussion for the week. Let's talk about grading. I'm required to have your grades in by Tuesday of the following week. So I spend my time getting your assignments graded and your discussions graded by Tuesday of each week. If you have a question about a quiz, or if you have a question about a grade that I've given you, please feel free to reach out to me, and I can discuss that one-on-one with each and every one. So, like I said, I'll do the live sessions on Thursday night at 1800, and usually I'm covering the weekly assignment, or the weekly discussion that we're looking at for the week. But it's also a time, if you have any questions about the course or about an assignment, feel free to reach out during that session and ask your question. Again, quickest way, post your question in the class question board, shoot me an email, or you can call, either one, and I'll get back to you. So, like I said, this is a 6-week course. I'm telling you, the 6 weeks will go by very fast before you know it. If you feel yourself getting caught behind, or you get behind, please let me know, and I'm willing to work with you to help you complete the course. Again, it's not all about completing the assignments and getting a grade. It's that you actually learn the material and you learn about SQL fundamentals. Anyway, welcome to the course, and have a great semester.